We've all been there. A customer reaches for the blue hat, you scan the black one by mistake, and suddenly, refund chaos. But fear not, fellow Epos Now users. Taming the refund dragon isn't as scary as it seems. In fact, with a few simple steps, you can be a refunding samurai, sending customers off happy and your inventory sparkling clean. So, grab your favorite beverage, put those customer service skills on high alert, and get ready to master the art of the Epos Now refund. First things first, there are two main ways to tackle a refund, with a receipt or without one. Let's say the customer remembers exactly what they bought and has that handy receipt clutched in their sweaty palm. This is the smoothest route. Receipt on hand refund royale. Log in to your glorious Epos Now front till. Just your staff name and password, and you're in. The system should greet you with a friendly home screen. Here's where the magic happens. Look for that product they want refunded. You can either scan it with your trusty barcode scanner, or if it's a barcode-less rebel, find it the old-fashioned way by browsing through your inventory. Once the cursed item graces your screen, it's time to banish it from the transaction panel. That's the right side. For those new to the Epos Now party, see those handy plus and minus buttons? Tap the minus button until the quantity shows -1. Side note, champions, you might have multiple items to vanquish. No worries. Just repeat steps 2 and 3 for each refund-worthy product. Now, here comes the hero of the refund story. The Select a Refund Reason button. This bad boy unlocks the power to tell Epos Now why this refund is happening. Was it a change of heart? Did the hat simply not match their dog's fur? Select the most fitting reason from the list that pops up. Apply to all if you're on a multi-item refund crusade, or hit done if it's a solo mission. This is where things get real. The pay button transforms into a glorious refund button. Just tap it, and watch as Epos Now prepares to send those funds whooshing back to the customer's account. Finally, a refund requested receipt will emerge from the printer, a testament to your refunding prowess. Hand it to the customer with a smile, and let them know the refund is on its way. Depending on the payment method, it might take a few business days. But wait, what if the customer misplaced that receipt? Fear not, for Epos Now has your back, refunding the receiptless rogues. The process is pretty similar, but with a slight twist. Log in to your front till like a seasoned warrior. Same as before, find that rogue item on the home screen using your barcode scanner or eagle eyes. Add the item to the transaction panel, but this time, with a quantity of -1. Here's the twist. Instead of a Select a Refund Reason button, you'll see a Reason for No Receipt option. Select the most appropriate reason from the list. Apply to all or done depending on your refunding situation. Just like the receipt refund, the pay button transforms into a refund button. Tap it and watch the refund magic happen. Refund requested receipt appears, a champion's trophy. Hand it over with a confident explanation about the processing time. There you have it, folks. You've conquered the Epos Now refund beast and emerged victorious. Remember, a happy customer is a loyal customer, and a smooth refund can turn a potentially negative experience into a positive one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.